Today I will be testing this new finish. What is new to me is made by Odie's, and this is the super duper everlasting dark oil. It looks something like this, and if you've been with my channel for a while, you know I use the Odie's oil, the original. I use this all the time and I absolutely love it. I also have the Odie's dark, and this one is so. I can't say it's a favorite, but it's okay. So these two I've used before, but this one I just purchased it and never used it before. So I figure I will use it and show it to you. If you're curious about it, then you will see if it's worth or not buying it. These finishes are not the cheapest finishes, but what I love about it is because they're waterproof, they're food safe, and they are completely natural, so you don't have to wear gloves. They're really easy to apply, you just can't screw them up. So I'm gonna test this one for you. I'm gonna open this jar. I never even opened it. I didn't try it on anything. And I will be finishing this box that I just finished this morning. By the way, am I the only one that loves to round their box joints? I think that's so cute when you round them up. I love that. I also rounded the lid of this, rounded the lid with the lizard. And this is what my box looks like now, and we will apply the finish. Now this super duper dark oil, what it's supposed to do is supposed to be really good for dark color wood like the walnut, because it's supposed to give it a really beautiful dark tone, so it doesn't look, like sometimes if you apply the wrong finish like a water-based walnut, it just looks gray and dull. But this one is supposed to darken it and give it a nice rich tone. And then for the lighter color, I have maple here, hard maple. For the lighter color, it's supposed to bring out the grain onto the lighter color woods. So we'll see if the claims are true and if it works. I'll leave the link in the description below if you're curious and you want to purchase any of these oils. Also, I found a good source for this kind of, quarter-inch, half-inch woods. I buy mine on Amazon, and they come in packs like this. They are like sealed in plastic. I have some walnut. This is the quarter-inch. I also have it an 1/8 of an inch and half-inch. I have some mahogany. I have some maple. I'll leave those in the description below as well if you're interested. Anyway, back to our finish. I'm gonna open this jar. I'm gonna give it a good stir. And then I'm going to use some of these white applicators. I'll leave a link for these ones in the description below as well. And we'll apply with this, see what it looks like. Brand new jar. Like I said, I've never used it before. And yes, I could have just used it on a scrap piece of wood to see if I like it, but how fun is that? Might as well, take the risk. Try it on a real project. Well, first observation is this oil, it's a lot thinner. You see how runny it is? Like this is very thin, like really oily. Versus the original, let me show you the original. The original has a texture like honey. So this is the original, this is what it looks like. So very different. And the dark one, it's thick like the original. So this new oil, completely different texture. So let's see if it's any good. Kind of makes me nervous that it's so thin. I'm gonna give it a good stir so that pigment will mix in. I hope I don't screw up the box, but it is just a box. So there you go, that's a good stir. I am going to cut a small piece of this white pad. I'm gonna get ready. I love these shop towels, you guys. This is the white rags. I'll leave those in the description below too if you want. And what I will do is I will apply the oil to my box and then rub it in, wipe it off. So let's see. I'm gonna start with the lid. This is what it's looking like so far. And like I said, completely natural, don't need to wear gloves. It smells It doesn't smell as nice as the original one. The original one smells like lemons. This one, I don't know. It's not as nice smelling. But we'll see what it looks like. Really easy to apply. Because it is runnier, it's easier to get into the crevices of whatever your project is. It's just very greasy, very oily. So now we'll do the box. I'm curious, what are you working on today in your shop? For me, I did this box today, getting my kids ready for school. And I have two boxes over there in the corner of some offcuts I bought from Bell Forest products. I don't even know if that's what's called the website. It's Bell Forest. I normally buy my wood online from them, and I've never bought their cut-off boxes, but I bought two of them today, and I was going to film it, the unboxing, and check it out with you guys. I'm very curious. They've been sitting on my shop floor now for, I don't know, 4 or 5 days. I haven't opened it yet because I wanted to do it with you, just in case you were curious about that. I definitely don't need any more offcuts. I have so many small pieces of wood all over the place, and I need to make room on my shop because I need to build a bed for my daughter and some other things. I'll make sure I'll film that too. I just can't decide on the design. I've never built a bed before, so that's gonna be quite an experience. All right. My hands are gonna be nice and moisturized after this. If you have not seen my video about the laser engraver, the longer 30-watt laser engraver, that is what I use to do the inlay for these boxes. And also I use that to make the box joints too. Makes it so easy. You just, plug it into your computer and it just cuts it for you. It is cheating, I know, but I don't have a problem with cheating. As long as I achieve what I want, it's okay. All right. Very greasy. Getting some of my wipes now, and we'll wipe everything off. This is what it's looking like so far. Now for finishes, let me know in the comments below what's your favorite finish. I tend to like oil-based finishes and finishes that are not shiny. I never liked poly. I've tried poly, I tried varnishes. I just don't like it. I like more matte, natural looking wood. And if I want to give it a little bit of shine, usually I'll add some wax and buff it. I just like the natural color. And there you have it, our finished box. And it's not bad. Like I said, is it better than the original Oddies? I don't know. But it's a nice finish. Something to look into it if you're looking for something really easy to apply. And I don't know, I think it looks pretty good. I hope this was helpful to you and you learned something new. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Skylar Ewing, and I'll see you in my next video.